Good morning students, it's me Sudarshan sir. Today we are going to deal with computer science. okay. Chapter number 7. Till 6th chapter we have completed. So today we will be dealing with 7th chapter. Advanced QBasic programming. That is what we are going to see today. Okay. Review. In QBasic you have already learned to display text on the monitor. In your younger class, 6th standard you learn QBasic, 7th standard you learn QBasic, now 8th standard also you are learning QBasic. Display text on monitor. You set up loops for repetitive instruction, animate graphics and play around with colors. These all things we saw in the younger class. Now we are going to see a little bit deep about it. Advanced QBasic, a little bit deep about it. Okay, we'll see. In this chapter, you will learn more about QBasic language. That's what. And see how complex programs can be written. We are going to see how hard and complex program can be written. A little advice on programming skills. You would have already realized that there are many ways of writing programs. See, if you write a program in QBasic, it is not necessary to write in one single way. You can write in different ways. But the output should be correct. If your program is correct, automatically your output will be correct. So you should write a correct program. You may use different ways, different methods, different techniques, but the program should be correct. Hence, if your program works and gives the correct output, you should not worry about it being different from program written by other people. That is what I told. If you write, you can write different type of methods. You can use different type of methods and write a program. It may be different from one person to person. The program may be different from one person to other person. But it doesn't mean that the program is wrong. If your output is correct, if you have received the correct output, then your program is correct. For example, one simple example I will say. If for addition, one might use one method of program to do to make the computer to do addition process, but other may use some other program type to make the computer to do addition process. But if the addition process is done correctly in the output screen, then the program is correct. Maybe the method might be different, but if in both the programs, if the output of addition is correct, then the program is correct. That is what the thing, right? Okay. So you can use different methods of programs, but the output should be correct. Okay. It is most important though that you carefully understand and study the steps needed to complete a job before writing a computer program for it. Before writing a program, you should have a clear understanding, whether these steps will give a proper output. Whether these steps do, for example, if in the program, if for addition, if you are giving a step, you should be very aware that this step will give a proper addition. And other step, if you use some other, for example, if you use some other loop concept in this chapter, you will see. In last year also you saw for next loop, like that few concept you saw. If the loop concept is properly executed in the program only, in the output screen also you will get the output correctly. So you should make sure whether you have properly executed the program. That is so important. Before writing the program, you should have a clear knowledge about it. If you have a clear knowledge and if you write the program, automatically your output will be correct. You won't make mistakes mostly. Okay. It is always advisable to first write the steps in English, then make a flow chart, and then finally write the codes in desired language. First, whatever, if you want to write a program, first you write and see in a rough paper. In your own language, in English, mostly programs will be of coinciding with programs will be of English language only, right? So you write and see in a paper in your English language. You write and see, then execute the same. Then execute the program in the particular application, maybe QBasic or C or C++, everything are programming languages, right? Maybe if first you just write in a rough paper, then execute the same thing in the concerned programming language. Here we will see about QBasic only. So first you write the program roughly in a paper, then execute it in the QBasic programming language. Okay. You are learning a language, hence all the commands that you learned in earlier classes will be used in time again. Anyway, in this chapter also you will be dealing with QBasic, but these mostly whatever the program you see in the QBasic, mostly it deals with the basic commands which you saw in your earlier classes also. 6th standard, 7th standard, you could have came across many commands, right? I don't know whether you remember or not. Remember command, rem command, cls command, print command, all those things you will see in this chapter also. Okay, little bit extra you will see, that's it. You have to be sure that you know these commands before proceeding. Okay. See, here itself they have given. That is what they want us to remember once again. Okay, that's why they have given. First, rem means remember command. What is the use of remember command? Specifies a non-executable remark statement, which in the sense last year itself I told remembrancy. Remember command, we are using this command, but this command will not be executed by this programming language. This command will not be executed in the output screen, will not be executed by the programming language. This command is just to make a statement that what this program is about, just to make us remember that what this program is about. That's all. If you're writing a program, this remember command will say this program is about. Either it may be to do addition or subtraction, or to do some other calculation, or to do some other operation. All those things you will be specify with the command rem. If you write rem and if you give heading, those things will not be, those datas will not be recognized. I means those datas will not be executed. It is just used as a command to remember. That's all. Okay. Next, all other commands the program will execute. The program will execute all other commands. For example, CLS. CLS means clear the screen. Do you remember in the output screen? If the program is executed, last year also I told, once if the program is executed, in the output screen, what will be there? The output, the answer will be there. The answer will be there in the output screen. If you come out and execute the same program, what will happen? Old one answer is there, nearby that a new answer will be there. So it is like overlapping, it is like congesting. Okay. So if you use this clear screen, what this will do, it will clear the output screen. For each time if you run the program, it will clear the output screen. So new output you will be getting it. It will not be in a congested way. It will not overlap. Okay. So that is why we are using CLS. Next, print. Print command is just to print in the output screen whatever the result you want. If the result is to be printed in the output screen, you can give the print command. Next, lprint. Lprint prints on the paper. Lprint, this is a general command. Mostly we will not be using lprint, but lprint is nothing but if you write a program, if the output if you want in a paper, you can give the command lprint, and if you connect the printer, automatically that output will be printed in the paper. That's it. Next, input command. Input command, it is just to ask for the input. The computer will ask the input from us. If you give some input only, the computer will deliver some output, right? To get input from us, we are using the input command. Why we are using? Because we are the programmers. We are asking the computer to get input from the other person. So we are using input command in the program. Okay. Next, end command. End command ends the program. Okay. And there are few commands like go to command sends the control to another point of the program. Do you remember in last year also we saw go to means if the program is executing, if you are executing the program, in between if you want this program to go to the beginning position, what command you should use? Go to command. Okay, like that. If you want to go to the program to the center of the position, you can use go to command. Okay. For that, what command we are using? Go to command. Next, locate command. Locate command also last time we saw clearly to specify the location. At which location the output is to be displayed, either in the left corner or in the right corner or in the center or in the left bottom or in the right bottom. In which place you want to locate the output. For that, if you want to in which place you want the output, for that for what command we should use? Locate. Okay, that's all about revision. This for next command, if then else command, RND command, all these things you will be seeing in this chapter. Okay, for that YouTube videos I will send. You just refer those YouTube videos and learn about that. Okay, QBasic may be little bit confusing, because if in a computer there is always a concept. If you want to work with computer, it is easy, but to make the computer to work, you should learn about programmings. While we learn the programmings, it will be little bit confusing. Okay, that is nature. Okay, but if we clearly understand about the programming, it is very easy. If you keenly listen towards it, and if you understand, no, it will be very easy. Okay, no issues, we will understand that. Okay, that's all. And one more thing, just go through the videos which I sent. That is more than enough. And then if you just read these chapters, that is also more than enough. Don't try to download any application from the internet. Don't try to download this QBasic also. Okay, if you have QBasic already in your computer, you work. If you don't have QBasic, don't try to download. If you try to download, your computer might affect with virus. Okay, and don't try to buy something from internet. Don't ask or don't ask your parents to buy anything from internet. Okay, don't buy QBasic from internet. Don't try to download QBasic from internet. Just go through the video which I sent. This video you see, and down one more link I will send. That link you see, that will be much more enough. Okay, that's all, students. I hope you understood very well. And one more thing, what you are supposed to do is read chapter 7 QBasic. Read chapter 7 QBasic. Okay. Don't stop by this video. Down one more link is there. Kindly go there and see the YouTube video. Okay, students, take care. Have a nice day. Bye.